Hello everyone, here we will discuss three-dimensional space shape. As we know, shape such as cube, cylinder, ball, triangular, pyramid, square prism, blocks, cones, triangular prism, and pentagon prism. Of- Apart from that, we often encounter this spatial structure in everyday life, such as the following example. From the example given above, we only discuss five geometry shapes, namely cube, cylinder, block, and ball. To build the first room, there is a cube. Cube definition. In geometry, a cube is three-dimensional shape bounded by six congruent square-shaped sides. A cube has six sides, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. A cube is also called a regular hexagon. Cube characteristic. The following are the properties of a cube. 1. Has a corner point. 2. It has six sides with a square shape. The six sides of the cube have the same length and area. 3. Has 12 edges of the same length. An angle or right angle. The last point, it has 12 diagonal sides of the same length. Okay, the cube net can be seen in the following figure.
Beam definition: a block is a three-dimensional shape formed by three pairs of squares or rectangles, with at least one pair of different size. A beam has six sides, 12 edges, and 8 vertices. A block formed by six equal and similar squares is called a cube. Characteristic beam: 1 has two rectangular faces, 2 the opposite faces are identical, 3 12 edges, 4 8 vertices, 5 12 face diagonal, 6 4 space diagonal, and 7 6 diagonal face. Beam mesh: a block net is a flat shape which is a certain series of two squares and six rectangles that are congruent in such a way that when folded at the common edges they can form a block.
Hello everyone, I'm here to discuss the three-dimensional cone. With there is a definition, characteristic, and a mesh net. From the definition, we can know that a cone is a special pyramid with a circular base. A cone has two sides, one rib and one vertex. The upright side of a cone is not a triangle, but in this case, when held, the cone blanket. Next, there are five characteristics of a cone. 1. Has two faces. There are a circular face and a circular face. 2. A surface edge. 3. Does not have vertex but it has curves. 4. Does not have face and space diagonal. 5 does not have diagonal face. Cone is also called as pyramid that has circular base. Next is the cone mesh net. The nuts of a cone consists of a circle as its base and a triangle shaped with a curved base with its angle. We need to know that the surface of the cone consists of two planes, named the curved plane and the plane of the circular base. For example, in the picture beside.
Okay guys, the next room to boil is a tube definition. Basically, this tube structure is also often known as a cylinder. A tube is geometric shape that has curved sides and consists of three sides and two edges. The side flange of the tube is located at the base or bottom of the tube, which consists of one side and one more side located and the curved length of the tube shape. So it turns out that the curved area on the tube is often known as the tube flange because it covers the entire body of the tube. One more thing, the sides of the tube is located at the top of the tube or mount, commonly known as the tube line. Okay guys, the next room to boil is a tube definition. Basically, this tube structure is also often known as a cylinder. A tube is geometric shape that has curved sides and consists of three sides and two edges. The side flange of the tube is located at the base or bottom of the tube, which consists of one side and one more side located and the curved length of the tube shape. So it turns out that the curved area on the tube is often known as the tube flange because it covers the entire body of the tube. One more thing, the sides of the tube is located at the top of the tube or mount, commonly known as the tube line. So next, tube characteristics. Number 1 has three sides. The three sides of the tube shaft are located on the base side of the tube, the left side of the tube, and the side of the tube cover. Number 2 has two ribs. The second characteristic of a tube shape is that it has two ribs which are located at the base and length of the tube and are in the form of curved circular lines. And number 3, there is a circle on the base and length of the tube. The third characteristics of a tube structure in the presence of a circular base and length on the tube. The base and length sets of the tube are circles. Okay guys, last point, circular nets. For circles network of friends, you can see the picture next to this. That where you can see the top is a flat shape, namely a circle. Likewise, The bottom is shaped like flat circular shape. Next, while the middle part is a flat rectangular shape, when the three flat shapes are arranged as shown, the first flat shape is combined with the second to third flat shapes. They will form a space shape called a tube. This is one of the needs of the tube.
Of ball. Definition of ball. A ball is a geometric object that has a surface formed from a set of points. There are the some definitions from a central point. Thank you. Ball characteristic. 1. Perfect round of special in shape. 2. It has no correct of cedars. 3. Every point on the surface is the same different from the counterpoint. 4. Has a contour volume and surface area that can be calculated using mathematical formulas. 5. Control or a variant.